Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off video chat with friends on Bigo Live. First, you need to go to where I am right now, and for you to come here, you have to click on the bottom right icon, the me icon. As you can see, when you click it, that will take you here. And after that, as you can see on the top right corner, there are two icons, a little settings icon and like a little person icon. All you have to do is click on the settings icon. And after that, we have a lot of options here, but we're gonna click on the privacy icon. And we have hide location, hide your online status, hide your recent active time, comment posts, do not disturb from strangers, do not accept strangers' line invitations, hide your following information, profile post tab, and turn off video chat with friends. We're going to flick the switch on turn off video chat with friends. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.